Hey, this is English Explained, and we're unpacking the upbeat phrase, you bet. If you're looking for a super casual and enthusiastic way to say absolutely, definitely, of course, or even you're welcome, this is your phrase. It's packed with confidence and excitement. Let's break it down with some examples so you can start using it like a native speaker. Are you joining the party tonight? You bet. Absolutely, I'm totally in. Can you make it to the charity bike race this weekend? You bet. Count me in for sure. I wouldn't miss it. Thanks so much for helping me move that heavy couch. You bet. No problem at all. Glad I could help. I really appreciate you picking up my dry cleaning. You bet. Don't mention it. So, where does this punchy phrase come from? You bet originated in 19th century American slang, and its roots are actually in the world of betting and wagers. Think about this. If you say you can bet on it, you're expressing absolute certainty. Over time, you can bet on it got shortened to the more concise you bet, carrying that same strong sense of confidence and affirmation. It's like saying, you can be so sure of this, you could even bet money on it. So, when exactly do we use you bet? You'll find it popping up in two main situations: to enthusiastically agree with or confirm something, and as a casual, upbeat way to say, you're welcome. This phrase is perfect for pumped up, friendly, and casual chats, as it adds a touch of enthusiasm to your agreement or confirmation. It's a fantastic way to show strong affirmation or respond to a thank you in an easygoing way. While it might sound a bit out of place in a very formal setting, for everyday conversations, it's a winner. Does your language have a similar phrase that conveys enthusiastic agreement or a casual, you're welcome? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into everyday English.